at the airport, and I waited till we got inside the airport and like past the TSA to vlog because you know they be making you turn your phone off and everything. We missed our first flight, which was, first of all, we came to the airport at 8 in the morning. 8 in the fucking morning. Woke up at 6 o'clock in the fucking morning. Right here early, thinking we could be on time. Whole time, we fucking missed our flight. Exactly. We went to Chick-fil-A, sitting there munching and crunching. Whole time we supposed to be at our gate.
Whole time the plane boarded. We over there eating.
So we had to look for another flight. We found one like 2 hours later probably, but freaking the worst part about it is that we gotta sit in this.
Y'all making a YouTube video?
Yeah, something like
Anyway, y'all, why is this so like bougie? Am I tripping? First of all, look how it looks in here. It's very cute. Give them a fit check, Mia. Period. Drip.
we just chilling. We got how many hours now? 4 still.
I said 3. Oh my god, we got 4 hours.
Yeah. But we gonna take. I'm trying to take like a 2-hour nap.
She's stressing.
That tent is so neat, bro. Whoever did that. Okay, when 5 o'clock hit, I'm gonna feel a little bit better. Like, okay, time coming. But let's think of some stuff. Let me look for D&B address.
Yeah, you're right, because that's nothing. Baby, I'm in this one. It's definitely.
I thought you had to use the bathroom. You didn't want us to hurry up.
But we've been here since 8 in the morning.
See how it look.
Anyways, we finally boarded our flight after hours of sitting in the airport. Since 8 in the morning. Right now it's like 7:15 maybe.
We're gonna make the best. We always make the best out of one thing about us.
Yeah.
They literally booked it like a month ago.
I thought this pizza place was closed because I looked online. It told me that it closed at 1 p.m. and somebody just came over here with the pizza. And it's right down there, but I didn't know, so now it's too late. But when we land, I'm gonna eat some Papa John's.
Y'all, we done finally made it. Like,
It's like
here,
10:58. It's really 11 o'clock.
10:58 already? Our flight landed at like 10:10. This lady standing in the front.
It took us forever to get off. And the black lady cussed her ass
freezing here.
flat out.
Yeah, she looks stupid. I wanted to say so bad. It's Black History Month.
Earlier, these 2 ladies was arguing in the airport like, y'all
Yes, y'all literally working each other like.
It was like, fuck
Get
you,
them.
bitch.
We finna get something to eat and then head to our baby. Get like we finna shower, baby. We've been in the airport for 12 hours, so
Exactly.
it's literally colder, bro. But yeah,
You never remember
Hey,
what
y'all.
you did. I'm not buying her.
we just finished eating our pizza. It was very good. She ate 2 slices. That's enough being big. She got a little something on her stomach. So we're waiting to get in the shower. I love my Asia. I love it. Sometimes. But yeah, y'all. It's been a long day for us. She always making a mess too, y'all. Look, she already got food all over the bed. She got it on the floor. She always making a mess. It never fails. Here you go. My chest hurts so bad. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm just ready to lay down because my Asia's gonna give me a massage on my stomach too. Y'all hear her? Like, what? You're not kissing me with all that on. You know all that?
That's fine. I'm just kidding.
She eating all that nasty stuff, y'all. Tearing it up too. She not giving me no kiss with that. But y'all, my eye itches so bad. Y'all don't even understand.
You don't like peppers?
Mm-mm.
I never liked peppers until I ate jalapenos, like a few months ago. And then I ate those.
Are you gonna put this on your YouTube?
Parts of it. Hey y'all, so we're not really doing much tonight. I just got out the shower and I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll be back tomorrow when we're actually doing stuff because we were not really doing much tonight. We go to pizza and that's pretty much it. But I'll see y'all tomorrow.
What's up, y'all? We getting dressed. We finna head to the summit. You know, get some food or whatever. You know, go to Town Square, kick P. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we woke up at around 5. Y'all, I'm tired. Woke up at 8, y'all. And she ate a bacon, egg, and cheese. You know, she gotta do the most. She had to get her bacon, egg, and cheese, y'all. With the kiwi, strawberry, Arizona. She really put y'all down, though. I ain't gonna lie, it looked good. I ain't getting none, though, but I ate nothing. I'm gonna wait to eat, y'all know. But we finna finish getting ready, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see what we got going. That's her little jerk, though, you know what I'm saying? Her little jerk. Not, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I had to help her out, dog. She had her junk tied up like some work boots, y'all. I had to help her out. I had to put my bit on, you know what I'm saying?
Stop showing my edges.
Okay, it's okay. But anyway, so yeah. But yeah, we finna finish getting dressed. We gonna catch y'all when we get in the Uber to get sent to the summit.
Hey y'all, so we already got dressed. And we finna go. She already gave y'all a little rundown of our day already.
Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't.
Is it recording? Yeah.
This camera good. Okay, y'all, so we just got to the summit. We got our wristbands.
Many drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period.
So we currently just made it to the summit. We're finna go in now.
We're gonna take your photo all together. Take your 3 or 4 together. All 4, right over here. We are taking a photo with this camera.
Fit check. Ooh. Fit check.
Tim's on, light jeans, drip.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keeping me good, man, bitch in the single flow. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes.
Hurry up. Why take pictures? Because I can't, because I'm vlogging. Sick of my vlog. I know, right? Wait, we're gonna be so hot. She ain't scared. I'm scared.
We at the summit.
Hold it out. Or you want to put it on? guys.
The view, bro.
Okay, so. Okay, this is a fit check, y'all. Period. What you got on?
Reimagine bread cores, you know what I'm saying? Get them. Subies on. Yellow on the belt. It's the unreleased.
Get that.
Unreleased St. Mary hoodie. Yellow, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, let me see. Yeah. Details.
I got on bubble coat. Top it off. Slight drip, you know what I'm saying? Tim's on, you know what I'm saying? Had to lace somebody to get her right.
Zara jeans.
Zara jeans. Play.
Zara top.
Zara top.
Babe hoodie.
Babe hoodie. Bling bling on too. Play with her.
Oh, Kurt.
But yeah, she got her Chanel bag on too.
This is my Chanel.
So we finally made it in the summit, y'all. It is beautiful. We're gonna go in the next floor though. Let me show y'all the view though. Like, get into the view. For real.
They real cute. Real reflective, real cute. Do not touch. Down with you.
I'm sorry to mess with her again, y'all.
Huh? What you say? We gonna mess
Time
with
to
me?
mess with you again.
Oh. Anyways. Me and Mia just made content on TikTok. We just made a little video, but we're leaving. We're leaving. I think we're gonna go eat. We just walked to Times Square from the summit, and we ain't really been doing much. That's why I haven't been recording. Like, it's really nothing. But Maya wanted some canes, so I think she in canes. It's like right across the street. But yeah,
Bro, it's too
I
late.
guess we're gonna eat. Run, Mia, run! Y'all, let me get this good content. Come on. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so we is in Raising Cane's. Some people just fight in front of the store. So, you know, like. But are you from New York? I'm just playing. Are you from New York even? Yeah, it only works sometimes. Like, it's when I call out market. They just recording. It's bad.
I know.
Are you from New York? Are you from New York, Eden?
Do you own a black coffee, Ethan? We have one. We don't have hers right now.
We it's actually at the B&B. Y'all, we just had.
She has it, but it's not on her.
They ate at Cane's, but we just kicking it.
Yeah, just vibing. Hey guys, we just got to the helicopter place. We're about to get on the helicopter. Finally, it's like 7 o'clock, or actually, it's actually about to be 6 o'clock. But our flight isn't until 7 o'clock, so we gotta wait till the people get off so we can get on. But I'm in the bathroom right now. I had to use the bathroom.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time.
So what? Then a plane is so bad. Look at him in the back. This is a cute picture though.
Yeah. Period. How you feeling?
Good. Cold.
I'm feeling cold
It was
too.
fun though. I like
Freezing.
I feel like nothing can compete with New York. Going there right now, going past the city no more.
She done seen the statue.
Y'all finally seen the statue.
I feel like I had to throw up.
Bro.
I was thinking like, please.
But I'm like, I'm
I'm
not weak in the heat. It's gonna go right back in your
I was
face.
like, yeah, I was like, it's gonna go right back on mine. I was like, please.
Oh, I would have put you on the helicopter. Oh God, you know.
Would you have on your seat?
Yeah, it's fine.
I was
Kind of falling off.
I'm scared.
I'm
scared.
He was being looking cool than all the fun. The helicopter thinking maybe it was hijacked or something. The way he was talking at first, he kind of, he trying to get us.
Exactly. Because we would have got that.
We would have been got. Well, the helicopter look easier. I would have pushed him out, got that bit more stuff. It look easy to control.
They're flying right down.
But now that landing jump, no.
Exactly. Yeah. You really gotta park a helicopter. But it's crazy.
Parking a helicopter is easier than a plane though.
Why? How?
A plane, you have to perfect land. You can't smack the ground. A helicopter, you just sitting there. You get it?
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
I need you to hold my jacket.
Cause there's wheels on the airplane. There's no wheels on the helicopter. Put
That's
it on
why.
the back of the.
Oh no.
Oh, they don't even have on the back of the door.
Yeah, tell them about
The heck?
that. This one right here actually. Look, this one right here.
Exactly. Look at you. Yeah.
I'm lit. I just checked off my bucket list. It's on my bucket list because of vision, because I never even thought about getting a helicopter door.
But then she met me and I just changed her life. Now look at my pizza. It don't look that great because this is really leftovers from yesterday, but it is banana peppers, bacon, cheese, and extra Parmesan cheese powder. Got a whole box. And I got garlic dipping sauce, but I'm gonna pour it on after.
This is fancy. Y'all, look at this TV. Oh. I ain't even clicking to look. Alright, y'all, so we just got back to the B&B. from our helicopter ride. It was nice. Very nice experience. You know what I'm saying?
Did they buy that water or the water was in there already?
It probably was already in there.
You want one?
Nah, you can get it. But it is currently 8:09, bro. It's 8:09. You know what I'm saying? The night is still young. They go like. But no, we really completed everything that we wanted to do today, for y'all. So we really just chilling. She eating her pizza. Ooh, girl. Really just chilling. She eating her pizza, and we gonna see what we gonna do whenever Mia get back. Might play some games. You know what I'm saying? Get a little drunk. I'm lying, y'all. We not getting drunk. I'm lying on YouTube. We're not doing that. But I'm gonna catch y'all whenever Mia get back. We gonna catch y'all whenever Mia get back. Cause we trying to see what we gonna do. It's hot.
Hey y'all, so we back. We showered and everything. We went to the liquor store to get us a bottle. Cause it's our last night and we don't have much to do. So we're gonna play games and drink.
We can show that.
I don't know, who's learned out.
We got Batty shout out. I need to play music, right? No, we gonna get copyrighted. No, we can play some. We can play the game.
Yeah, we're not really doing much. We're leaving in the morning. Well, not in the morning, but we're leaving tomorrow afternoon. So we're just gonna have fun tonight.
She loved the ocean.